How to show desktop icons on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your icons back on the desktop quickly and easily. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop to open the context menu. After that, click on View from the options that appear. Let me show you. From there, look for the Show Desktop Icons option and make sure it has a checkmark next to it. At this point, if it doesn't have a checkmark, click on it to enable it. Your desktop icons will reappear instantly. In the next step, if your icons are back, go ahead and right-click again and click on View to adjust the icon size if needed. You can choose between large, medium, and small icons. From there, if you want to add specific system icons like this PC, Recycle Bin, or Network to your desktop, let me show you how. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings. At this stage, click on Personalization on the left side menu. Following this, click on Themes to open the theme settings. Once done, scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings to open the Icon Management panel. From there, check the boxes next to the icons you want to show on your desktop, such as Computer, Network, Recycle Bin, and Control Panel. At this stage, click on Apply and then OK to save your changes. The selected icons will now appear on your desktop. And that's it. If this guide helped you show desktop icons on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.